Hi, my name is Martin. I'm with Skolaris. Today I'd just like to quickly demonstrate a new feature that we have that speeds up data entry, especially with regard to class groups. So as you can see, I've created an organization called Class Group Setup Demo, and I'll just create a new term. And some time slots. And I'll put in some teachers because I'll be entering some lessons. Okay, and let me just create one class group. And inside this class group, we'll have a division by gender for physical education, for example. So it will be boys and girls. I'll also put in or populate my subjects very quickly and create some set of lessons for my class group. So 2 lessons of biology, 4 lessons of English, 4 lessons of maths, and 2 lessons of geography, let's say. And also some physical education for my girls and boys groups. Done. So we have created 15 lessons, and doing this for another class group could be difficult. Let's just see what the warnings are here. So I think I've only put in one lesson of physical education for the boys, so let's just quickly fix that. That's done. So if I want to put in class group 1B, which is an exact copy of 1A, just with different students, up until now I'd have to do all the steps that I've done so far and repeat them for 1B. But now I have another option. So I'll just create a class group 1B, and I'll say to use 1A as a template. And when I save this, Skolaris will replicate the structure of 1A and all the lessons in 1A into 1B. So let's just quickly check 1B. We have the same division here, boys and girls, and we have the same lessons with the same teachers. Now, it happens that this set of English lessons has a different teacher. But that's very easy to fix because I can just select these lessons and click this change teachers icon, and I'll just select the teacher that I want. And the English lessons now have teacher 3 instead of teacher 1, and I can do this for whatever lessons I want. And if I need another class group with the same structure, I'll just say 1C is a copy of 1B, and there I go. So instead of entering all the lessons for each class group individually, Skolaris can now do it all for you, including replicating the actual structure of divisions and class groups. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.